Most apps just don't get it. If you've been looking for a way to learn Yoruba, you've probably realized that the big apps don't teach this language. And if you find an app that teaches Yoruba, most of the time, it looks like a boring textbook. Today, I'm showing you the best app to learn this language, and I'll explain why it's the best app to get you speaking right from day one. The app I'm talking about is Ling. You can check out the link in the description to start your 7-day free trial with the app today. We've also added the timestamps for you here as well, so it's easier for you to quickly look through. Now, let's start with the most critical part of learning a new language, the audio.
Oúnjẹ òwúrọ̀.
Most apps use text-to-speech or TTS robots. It's cheaper for them, but bad for you. Because if you learn from a robot, you'll sound like one. But that's what sets Ling apart from other apps. Ling works with native speakers to create the courses and to record audio for you. This is really good for every language, but especially tonal ones, because you are hearing real people speaking with their real accents. It's the best way to get your ear tuned to the natural rhythm of the language right from day one, without actually needing to go out and talk to a native speaker face to face. But hearing it is one thing, and using it in context is another. Ling doesn't just throw random vocabulary at you, they built their lessons around context. Understanding what, when, where, and why is the key part of learning a new language. They design each lessons to match the real-world situation you need, with the right amount of gamification to lead your learning journey. The sentences you learn first are the ones you'll get to use right away, like ordering food, asking for directions, and calling for help in case of an emergency. Now, let's be honest. Even if the lessons are going great, staying motivated is probably one of the hardest parts of learning a new language. That's why I really like the banana points and streak feature. These features motivate you to learn your language daily and progress better. Every lesson you complete earns you banana points. These aren't just for you to see. They push you up the global leaderboard so you can compete with other learners. But that's not all. Ling also has a daily streak counter, which gives you just the right amount of push to open the app at least once a day, even if it's just a 5-minute break from doom scrolling on social media. Now, with all those features, will they teach you how to actually speak? That's what Ling's Chatbot aims to do. It's an interactive conversation partner that simulates real life. You listen to the native speaker, you choose your answer, and the app gives you instant feedback. This helps you put yourself in that situation before you actually talk to somebody, so you're more confident when the time comes to use the language. It's the perfect way to practice conversation without the anxiety of talking to a stranger before you're ready. Now that I've went through Ling's key features, I want to let you know that this app is built with cultural and linguistic respect. Your language matters, and with Ling, you can keep your language alive. Thanks for watching, and give Ling a try if you want to master the accent and speak confidently. The premium version is a paid model, but if you want to give it a go before committing, click the link in the description below for a 7-day free trial. Have a good language learning journey.